Before we go any further, I want to congratulate you. How fabulous a mama are you that you're already thinking about how you'll raise your baby to like vegetables. And you're spot on. It's much easier to raise your baby to like veggies now than to try to get them to like them when they're older. And they've already made up their mind that the only vegetable that they'll eat are potatoes in the form of a chip. Now, the good news is that there are lots of ways that we can influence our little ones to get onto the veggie train. And I'm going to let you on my tips and tricks in this video. So stay tuned. Hello, if this is our first time connecting, welcome. My name is Melanie McGrice and I'm a dietitian who specialises in the first 1,000 days of life, from preconception through to toddlerhood, where nutrition impacts genetic programming that will impact the rest of your baby's life. Make sure that you subscribe and connect with me on my socials. You'll find all of the details in the description box below this video. Now, no matter how tempting, my first tip is to don't solely rely on hiding vegetables in your children's meals. It's not sustainable and will only lead to problems down the track. Instead, I recommend spending your energy on helping your child to develop a healthy relationship with food. Now, this might mean that vegetables are thrown on the floor or even left untouched at some meals. But the more that we expose our little ones to veggies and nutritious foods, the better their relationship with food will become. Now, number 2 is to eat as a family as often as possible. And of course, I understand that life is busy and getting the whole family to sit down to dinner at the same time won't be possible every day. But again, the more that you do it, the better. Research shows that children who regularly eat with their families are more likely to eat more fruit and veggies than children who don't. Mum, dad and siblings really are the most significant influences on children. So if you're eating and enjoying your vegetables, they'll be more likely to do the same. Now, number 3 is to get creative. Quite often, it's the texture of vegetables that children don't like, not the flavour. So trying different ways to cook vegetables will not only expose your little ones to the diversity of vegetables, but you also might discover that they like certain veggies one way but not the other. So for example, they might be happy to eat broccoli roasted in olive oil, but they don't like it steamed broccoli yet. Giving your children an element of control over what they're eating is a great way to foster an interest in food. So next time that you're at the supermarket, if your child is old enough, why not ask them to pick out the vegetables for the week and then get them to help you out in the kitchen. Raising a veggie lover doesn't have to be stressful, but it will require patience and a little determination. And just remember, the earlier that you instill a curiosity and interest in food in your little one, the better. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments box below. And if you're struggling with your little one's dietary intake, or if you'd like any further information on child nutrition, then please feel free to book a nutrition assessment with one of our dietitians. You can find all of the details in the description box below the video. And check out some of my other food videos on topics such as the top 5 early life nutrition tips or the benefits of choosing organic baby food. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. A mama are you that you're... sorry, I messed it up already. What are you laughing at, Britt? Oh well, he's alright.